Chainsaws have a surprising origin rooted in childbirth. In the late 18th century, Scottish doctors created a type of chainsaw to assist with symphysiotomy, a procedure used to widen the pelvis during difficult births. This medical tool helped speed up the delivery process and remove infected bone. It wasn't until the early 20th century that chainsaws found a new purpose in cutting and chopping wood. Today, they are essential tools in forestry, construction, and landscaping, showcasing their remarkable evolution from a life-saving device to a powerful machine for outdoor work.